Your subconscious doesn't understand no, and that's exactly how thoughts get implanted without resistance. If someone says, "Don't trip right before you take a step," your brain doesn't focus on walking, it focuses on tripping. That's because the subconscious doesn't process negatives directly. It locks onto the core idea and makes it real. That's why those who understand this never tell people what not to do. They guide them toward what they should do instead. Instead of saying, "Don't be late," say, "See you on time." Instead of "Stop doubting yourself," say, "Trust your instincts." Of course, this can also be used the other way around. For example, if you want your friend to tumble on slippery floor next time. Have you ever had someone tell you not to do something only to immediately feel the urge to do it? That's reactance, one of the most powerful psychological triggers, and when used correctly, you can make people want to think or do exactly what you want. Reactance is a psychological principle that occurs when people feel their freedom to choose or act as being threatened. In simple terms, when someone tries to tell us what to do, we often feel the need to rebel and do the opposite, especially if we feel like we're being controlled. It's the reason why when you're told you shouldn't eat that your immediate instinct is to eat it, or why when you're told you can't think that way, your brain starts defending that very thought. You can use this yourself by simply framing what you want them to believe as something they may not understand or something they may not be open to. Reactance kicks in and they will do everything to understand it or to be open to it.
When you're bombarded with too much information, your brain hits a breaking point. It can't process it all and shuts down, defaulting to simple agreement with whatever's being said. If you want someone to adopt your idea, don't just present your case and say, "Here's why you should do this." Instead, overwhelm them with a rapid-fire stream of facts, ideas, or stories back to back without giving them a chance to catch up. As their brain struggles to process everything, it defaults to agreeing just to get through it. Once you've hit that point of overload, their critical thinking shuts down, making them far more likely to accept your suggestion without really questioning it.